I freaking love baking. It's looking a little greasy. Wait, what? You guys know that I've been trying to find different hobbies that don't include doom scrolling on TikTok, black, and it's smoking and it's burning, and bake these baddies. I'm not even trying to be dramatic like I usually do. Oh my god. This one looks so good. So cute. And that's the end. Hi, good morning. It's Saturday and we have another nice little cozy cold day, and I decided that today we're gonna be baking cookies. This is my cozy outfit, little butterfly PJs. I actually thrifted these in Florida and I think they're so cute. And then I have my little cozy Aritzia crew neck. Just took a shower, I washed my hair. She's so fluffy and clean. I feel so happy. Like, I freaking hate dirty hair. It's my worst nightmare. But anyway, I'm gonna quickly do my makeup, and I think I'm gonna do some like I'm cold makeup. I don't know if you guys remember on TikTok, there used to be a trend that's like I'm cold makeup, like super cute little, like the blush is just so rosy and cutesy and on the cheeks, and it's just supposed to like emulate the idea of being like a frostbitten aesthetic, if that makes sense. But anyway, I'm gonna quickly do my makeup.
15 minutes later.
Look how cute my makeup is, guys. Okay, I actually really like this like horizontal blush situation. I usually do my blush like this, and I feel like it makes my face look a little too like wide, if that makes sense. Like, it just looks unproportional. But the horizontal blush, I love it. Anyway, I think it's finally time to start baking the cookies, and I'm so excited to bake cookies because it's my favorite thing in the entire world. I freaking love baking. So, without further ado, let's head to the kitchen. Okay, here we are at the kitchen area working situation. I have my iPad here and I'm gonna pull up the recipe. I'm gonna use a new recipe. Every single time I make cookies, I use a new recipe just because I like to try different recipes and see what's out there. The recipe that I found that looks really good was on TikTok, and it's by Well Made by Kylie, and it's her brown butter chocolate chip cookies, and they look so freaking good. This morning I browned some butter, as you saw. Let me get that actually. Okay, so I have the brown butter here. So now I need to add sugar and eggs to the brown butter and then whisk until combined. Okay, let's do that, shall we? Is that 1 cup? I don't know. I can't tell because it's so chunky. Okay, I'm a little concerned because I think I over mixed it. It's looking a little greasy, so I feel like I've over creamed the butter. I don't know. Can you tell? Like, do you see how it's kind of like greasy? Bruh. Ugh. Anyway, let's move on to the flour. We've got my flour here. Yes, it's in a foyer container. These are just really good containers to reuse, so that's why we have so many of these, and that's why we put our flour in it. Anyway, 2 3/4 cups of this, and then baking soda and baking powder and a little bit of salt. So let's get that all added in here. This is a little overflowing, but it's fine. I just need to mix it all together so it's evenly combined. This is what happens when I try to like not use so many dishes, and then I end up screwing myself over because now it's just a big struggle. It's fine. I'm spilling everywhere. I feel like I'm just making a bigger mess. Okay, we're all good, I think. I feel like that's good enough. Whatever. Let's sift it in. Okay, I think I have everything in here. I don't know. Whatever. I'm gonna start slow, like half at a time. this is what she looks like. I don't know if there's like too much flour in here. I'm scared that they're not gonna spread. It's snowing! This is my favorite part. I used to make cream puffs a lot, and when I would do the powdered sugar, it was so fun. Gotta be careful we don't want to over mix, because that develops a lot of gluten in the cookies. Okay, and now it's time to add chocolate chips. I like to do a blend of dark chocolate and semi-sweet. Recipe calls for 1.5 cups. We're just gonna do like 1 cup. I don't like too much chocolate. I also don't like to put too many chocolate chips in the base dough because I like to put chocolate on top of the cookies right before I bake them. And that just like makes them really cute. She is finally done. And then the last step is to chill in the fridge for like 4 hours. Let me taste the dough. Wait, what? Wait, I've never had my dough taste like this. It tastes so good. Okay, I'm officially excited for this. I'm just gonna pop this in the fridge without scooping it because I'm lazy. And we'll revisit these in like a few hours. Okay, we're back in my room and we're gonna be waiting a few hours for the cookie dough to chill. And so I decided that I was gonna learn how to crochet. So random, but you guys know that I've been trying to find different hobbies that don't include like Netflix or doom scrolling on TikTok. I feel like this is just the perfect hobby for me because A, I'm a homebody, and B, I'm an introvert, and C, I like clothes. I just feel like maybe I should just like crochet my own things. But anyway, I started this little chain here. It's so like, I don't know, it's really bumpy and it's not that pretty. But it's okay. I'm still learning. We'll figure it out together. And I feel like with more practice, I'll definitely become better at it, but it's kind of soothing. It's kind of hard to get the chain to go because I think my stick isn't big enough, but it's not bad. And I'm going. So here's my little scarf. Isn't she cute? But yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing, and I'm just gonna like watch some Netflix while I'm doing it, so at least it's like the cozy vibes together. But yeah, I'm so excited. Like, I'm gonna make a little scarf. Beanie's trying to play with my yarn here. Hey, no. Okay, well, anyway. But anyway, if this is a sign for you to learn how to crochet because it's cool, it's fun, and I feel like a really cool hobby to have. And I feel like I could just take this anywhere I go and just crochet everywhere. And I really hope that I can like make different little patterns, and I think it'll be super cool. Oh, I'm excited! Okay, it's time for food. This might be really weird and you're like, wait girl, like what's on that plate? This is sashimi from last night. It's leftovers. I'm just gonna be eating plain sashimi on a plate. Oh, this is good. Sashimi is literally my favorite food group. It's just so buttery and amazing. I need a little bit more soy sauce though. Oh, a little too much. Oopsies. I started preheating the oven. Our oven takes literally so long to preheat. I don't know why. I think it's broken or something. So once that's done, we can start baking the cookies. I'm so excited. Okay, now I'm gonna heat up some of this yam. I've been freaking loving steamed yams. They're just so good. Okay, I have my yam here. I microwaved it for like a minute. But basically, I get some of this Kerrygold grass-fed butter. Make sure to use salted butter. I feel like it tastes better. I put some on my yam, yes. And then I get my salt. Just a pinch of salt all over. And that's the yam. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. It doesn't look very appetizing, but I promise you it tastes so good. It's just like creamy and sweet and yummy and just delicious. Cheers. Hot. Oh, it's so good. It's so sweet. I just like love the flavor. It's hot, but it's so good. there's something like on the bottom of my oven and it's black and it's smoking and it's burning. And I don't know what to do because it's hot. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but like that black spot, like that thing right there. I don't know what to do. Okay, I've decided that we are just gonna ignore the freaking burn in the oven and we're just gonna go ahead and bake these baddies because it's getting dark and I'm impatient and it's only 4 p.m. and why is there no light? The one thing I hate about like fall, winter is that it gets dark so freaking fast and I love the sun and I love the warmth. So it makes me a little bit upset. It does, it really does, but it's fine. We're gonna warm up the house with a little bit of a cozy baking. Let me get my cookie scoop. Hello. Dude, people always move all my stuff. I'm literally, hello? Where's my freaking cookie scoop? This is so rude. Another pet peeve, when people move my cookie scoop. Hello, it's always in this drawer right here. Just give me 1 second, okay? Hey, so I found my cookie scoop. It was in the drawer. It was just under something. I apologize for my outburst. But anyway, we shall continue. Here's my wonderful cookie dough and we're gonna scoop. And this is a huge cookie scoop. I wanna get a smaller one just cause like this one makes massive cookies and sometimes I just want like a small cookie, but it's okay. I'll just use this, it's fine. The dough is a little bit hard because it's been in the fridge. I'm not even trying to be dramatic like I usually do, but like it's actually pretty difficult to scoop. Okay, whew. Got the first scoop. I'll just do 4 for now because I'm scared that they're gonna spread. Woo! So cute. Bruh. Oh, oops. Woo. Yay! I got 4 gorgelicious cookies. Amazing. And then for the finishing touch, we need to top it with some chocolate chips and then they'll look really cute and just really cute. I like to put the chunks instead of the chips. I just feel like they look cuter because they're like little squares. And I'll put 2 on the top. Okay, almost done. She's ready to go into the oven. Yay! And she'll be in there for like 12 minutes. Look how cute they are. Oh my God, my little babies. Wait guys, I'm so happy. They look so freaking good. Okay, look how perfect those cookies look. Like you can't tell me those don't look so good. What? Oh my God. Wait, they look so cute. But I have to like refrain from eating them because I like to let them wait and cool down a little bit just because like I feel like the flavor develops a little bit better. But yeah, they look so good. I can't wait to eat it. I'm gonna see if I can roll it into like a tall cylinder and I'll see if that keeps the height of the cookie because these cookies are kind of flat. I mean, they're not that flat. They're actually honestly pretty good. But I wanna see if I can get them a little bit higher just because I kind of like a thicker cookie. Okay. Unfortunately, I have to do this 4 at a time. Okay, they're nice tall logs. And then we'll add the chocolate on top. We'll just add 1, 2. These look really funny. They're like little logs. Okay, so I hope that they'll be okay and they won't run into each other. But if they do, that's fine. All right, I'm putting her in. Wish me luck. Okay, cookie update. The cylinders, they've kept kind of like a dome shape, so I'm assuming that's gonna be a good sign that they're gonna be a little bit taller, but we'll see about that because the chocolate's kind of dripping in the back. I don't know if you can see. It's fine. Everything's fine. Okay, I think the next batch is done, but I forgot to put the timer, so I'm just gonna guess it's done. They look a little bit brown. Okay. Oh no! Okay, wait. This one looks so good. Okay, let me show you. Do you see how it's like kind of thick? I love the like thickness of it. And then I like how there's like a little ribbon there and it's a little bit like charred on the top. Yeah, like that little piece right there. Oh my God, the burnt, oh my God. Wait, I think maybe the trick is to make it into like a tall cylinder. Wait, okay. I'm gonna make the next batch very similar, maybe a little taller. I want them like thick. I want them thick and juicy and thick and chewy and gooey. Ugh. Okay, so actually I decided I think baking all of these cookies right now would be like way too much. So instead, I'm just gonna freeze them because then I'll have some cookies for later. Yeah, we really don't need like 10 million cookies right now. But anyway, I'm just gonna put this in this little container. My little cookie mounds. So cute. Oh my god, they're not gonna fit. It only fits 6. Oh no. Maybe I should just bake those last 2. Anyway, here's my little cookie container. I'm just gonna wrap these up and pop them in the freezer. So yeah, amazing. And then we can try the cookie finally. Okay guys, it is finally time for the taste test and I'm scared. It looks amazing, but we'll see what it tastes like. This is like my perfect chocolate chip cookie. The way it just looks like a cartoon, perfection. Yeah, I need to take another photo of this. Like I just can't. This is too good. Like, hello? Oh my god, you're literally gorgeous. I literally can't. Stop. Oh, you're so cute. I love her. Yes. Okay. Enough photos. I need to try this. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's crack her in half. That's like, honestly, that shows you how good the cookie is, okay? Focus on the cookie, not me. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh no, the chocolate. Wait, this looks so freaking good. Okay. This chocolate fell. Okay, chocolate's good, of course. Okay, let's try. Nice and chewy. Oh yeah. Wow. This might be one of my favorite cookies I've ever made. Oh my god. This is so good. I'm not even joking. Like, it actually tastes so good. I'd literally rather make these than go buy. I low-key think I'm literally a pastry chef now. Like, I could literally sell these at a coffee shop and they're 10 times better than the coffee shop cookies. Oh my god. Oh yeah. This recipe is so good. I'm putting the recipe in the description because I highly recommend. You guys should go make it because it's absolutely amazing. Oh my god, it's so good. I just want to eat this entire rack of cookies. Oh, I can't. Okay, let's take this inside and watch a little bit of my show. I feel like I've been baking all day. It's literally pitch black outside. Pitch dark? Pitch black? Pitch silent? Whatever, it's really dark outside. But let's go inside so we can get under the covers and get a little cozy with my little cookie. Yes! Amazing.
Beanie? No, this is not yours. You can't have any. It's chocolate. No.
This is just perfect. Yay. Ah!
Thanks for being such a supportive husband.
I'm proud of you. Who bought it?
Heart and soul of the art buying community.
You don't brother G friends.
That's an amazing idea.
Yeah. Hi, Abby. So you guys.
Unless they're me. I miss you, Ted.
Hey, no.
Abby and I.